Hello everyone. I know some of you are not familiar with blogging, and so I wanted to create a screencast to kind of walk you through that very first blog post so that you'll get on the right foot as you get started this semester. When you create your user account and site for the litblogger.org site, you'll be presented with your dashboard. This is where you're going to create new blog posts or add pages to your site and even customize your site. But for our purposes, we're just going to create a new blog post. All you have to do is go up to the New link and press on that, and it'll give you a drop-down menu that asks you whether you want to create a post or add media or a page and so forth. You want to just create a new blog post. So click on Post, and you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. You want to create a title for this particular post, and for our purposes we'll say this is the Jupiter Hammond response. And that'll be the title for your post, and then you can begin writing the actual body text for your post. And in here, what you can do is you have two options. You can use the visual editor, which is what most people will use, in order to write your post. And when you're using the visual editor, you might want to do things like bold some text or italicize some text, just like you would in Microsoft Word or any other type of word processing program. You can also do things like center your text, or justifying it to the left or to the right of your page. You might play around with that first post in order to sort of see where things are. Now, if you want to add a link, you want to highlight the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink, press on the Insert Link tab, and then you can add whatever link you want to. You don't have to, but you can also add a title to the link so that when people hover over the hyperlink, they'll get a little text box that tells them where that link will take them. And then also, when you create your links, always make sure that you click on this. Click on Open Link in a new window or tab so that people aren't taken away from the page that they're trying to read. And then you click the Add Link button, and now you can see that your text has become a hyperlink. Okay, and these are just a few things that you need to know in order to get started. Now you can save your draft, which means that it's not on the internet yet, but you can always log out if you need to and log back into your dashboard and go to your posts in order to see what in order to continue working on something that you're writing. Or if you think you're close to being finished, or you just want to take a look at what you're writing without posting it to the internet, you can hit the preview button. The preview button will open up another window or tab and show you what you've done already. And you can safely click out of that without losing anything, and you'll go back to your original tab or window. When you're finished, when you are absolutely finished, with your blog post, you can go ahead and press Publish. Pressing Publish will put your blog post on the internet for you and other people to be able to read. You can check this by going to the View Post button, and this will take you to the page as it is seen on the internet by visitors to your blog page. You can see Jupiter Hammond response and all of the various links that you may have added to your blog post and you notice that your link is opening up in a new tab. You can see your formatting and so forth. Now let's say, now you remember you're already logged in, so you continue to be logged into your blog. Let's say you want to edit your post. You can go either here to edit post and click on it, and it'll take you back to your editing window. Or let's say that you're on a completely different page. You just want to go back to your dashboard. Go to the name of the site that your site is named. Go to dashboard, and then click on the posts link. And this will take you to all of the posts that you've added so far to your site. You can go to the Jupyter-Hammond response and either edit it, quick edit, trash it, or just view it. If you don't like what you've written, you can always trash it, but remember this is not reversible. So go to edit, and then you can continue adding more information and text at will. Then you can click update, and this will update your post so that all of the information that you want to have on it is there. So one more time, let me go ahead and walk you through this again. When you log in for the first time, you're going to be taken to your dashboard, which looks like this. Once you're at your dashboard, you can write your first blog post or create a new post by going to the New menu. Whichever way you do this, when you're presented with the window for writing your blog, you can write your blog using the visual window, formatting it using the various formatting tools that are at your disposal, and you can save drafts. But once you're finished saving drafts and doing all the editing that you need to do, you need to publish it. Now remember, there'll be a big blue button over here that says Publish. Once you've published it, it'll be live on the internet, but you can always go back and edit and update your individual blog posts as you create them. And you can always create a new post at any time, giving it a new name. The names I'm giving mine here are not very imaginative, but you get the point. And you can save a draft and then come back to it later, or go ahead and publish it. And once it's published, you can go to view your new post and see what it will look like on the internet. Now, of course, I'm not adding that much information on these, but when you add your 500 plus words, you'll see a big block of text, any images that you might want to add, and all of your formatting. And you'll also notice over here on the right, under this particular theme, you'll see all of the recent posts that you have created, and you can always click on them to go to that particular post, and your readers, the readers of your blog, can always go to this particular, go to this menu and click on recent post. And that's all there is to it. Just remember that everything that you need to do is under the name of your particular site. Now, I'm the administrator of the Literature Blogger site, so that's the name of my site. Yours may have a different name, but everything on your site, all of the functionality is in the dashboard, and that's where you can start writing your blog post and posting new information on the web. Thank you very much.